vent stack on Rubin Street and Rubens Road in Nokomis. And I'm all the way at the furthest point that I can get to with the camera without damaging the cable on the camera. That's as far as I can push. This is after drain cleaning. This line was completely full to the top, and I've got severe scale. You can see, let me go forward, you can see the water is flowing, but it's flowing real slow because of all the scale at the bottom of the pipe. You'll see water, see all that scale on the top of the pipe. Heap of scale right there. There's only a small section at the bottom where stuff can flow through. You see how everything has to go around that scale right there at the top of the screen. There's a big pile of scale there. This is cast iron pipe. Hard water scale builds up. You can see a ton of it right there. This is just about where it was backing up. Right there, toilet paper will catch on that. There's a pile of scale there, and that's hardened scale. Can't be nothing with a cable can remove that. The line has to be jetted. It's no question. Stuff's all over the lens. I'm actually coming up the vent stack right now. I'm in the vertical. You can't see this, but the end of the camera is like you can almost hear it. The end of the camera is completely full of scale.